Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and we can do it just by tapping on the square icon here. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened apps. Of course you can close only one of it just by tapping on this X button on it. So let me for example turn off the Play Store and the Wi-Fi options. Of course you can close all of them with only one click just by tapping on this X button right here. As you can see, we've got the deep cleaning. We just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that for sure we just closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.